These are the elevators at the Cincinnati, Riverfront, Radisson, Covington, Kentucky. These are OTIS elevators.
How do you know that?
I like elevators. Got this one. LL, which floor?
9.
9?
Yeah. Thank you. Oh, sorry.
These are fast.
Yeah, they are.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good night. Door closed button works. We like that. These are beautiful. High-speed elevator. You're at 1. Going down?
Right here.
LL?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're going to LL, huh?
Yes.
You're at LL?
Yes.
18? 17?
All
Thank you, sir.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good night.
18 is closed. Riverfront is closed. Whee! Thirteenth floor. Here at 17.
17th floor. Going up.
Oh, 18's unlocked. 10. Could be in so much trouble. You going down?
Yeah, sure.
What floor?
1.
Okay.
No problem.
Wow, look at this cab. It's beautiful.
I know. It's like a cigar room in here or something. With
Stop
the
at
wood.
16. Going down?
Yes.
10.
Aiden, you know where we're going. Are you crazy?
3 fixtures. EPCO W1 signature.
How many times have you ridden the elevator?
W1 ADA phone. 1.
Yeah, I don't believe that for a minute.
All right.
Thank you.